Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a pause in Cura Slicer. So let's get started. Click on an extensions, click post-processing, and click modify G-code. Right here you'll see post-processing scripts, so click add script and click pause add height. And basically right here you'll be able to select pause layer, or you can select the height or layer number. So basically for the layer you can select a pause layer, and here you can select to keep motors engaged or not engaged. You can select to park print and etc. So basically you'll be able to edit all those settings. I recommend to add beep at pause because you'll basically hear when that pause is happening. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.